We guide you through how to see your Wi-Fi password on Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings, then tap network and internet or connections depending on your phone and select Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to the network you want, then tap the gear icon next to it and look for the share options. Once you tap it, your phone may ask for your fingerprint, PIN, or face unlock for security. After that, a QR code will appear on your screen, and right below or above it, you'll usually see the Wi-Fi password displayed in plain text. If your phone doesn't show the password directly, you can still scan the QR code using another phone or QR scanner app to reveal it instantly. This method works on most modern Android versions like Android 10 and above, so no need for third-party apps or root access. Just a few taps and you're done, making it perfect when you need to reconnect another device or share with someone nearby without guessing or resetting anything.